Hello, welcome to Basira's Kitchen. Sanun kudazua, wafana kayo, maraba. Today we are making smoked or grilled mackerel. I don't know, in Ghana we call it salmon. I don't know why we call it salmon, but I have 6 mackerel. I have 2 tablespoons black pepper, 2 tablespoons of my garlic ginger blend, and some salt to taste. First, we'll clean the fish and cut it into our desired pieces. And then I have water with lemon here, and we'll rinse it in there, spice it up, and then go to the oven. I broil my fish on high for 15 minutes on each side because I want it extra charred. If you want it a lighter color, you can broil it on 10 minutes on each side. And this fish can be enjoyed with your kenke, your banku, anything, and I'm using it for my soups, so I'll be showing it in later videos. This was quite simple. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. Thanks. Bye.